To graph this quadratic function in the vertex form, which is a times x minus h squared plus k, the h and the k value is your vertex point. And just don't forget to change the sign. Negative h becomes positive h. So the vertex for our quadratic function is going to be negative 3. Positive 3 becomes negative 3. And the k value stays the same sign, so positive 8. So to plot that point from the center, you're going to go left 3 and up 8. And then you have to decide from the vertex, which is either the maximal or the minimal of the parabola, you have to look at the sign value for the a. Since our a value is negative, so that means our parabola is going to open down. So because it opens down, our vertex is going to be our maximum point. To find the remainder parts of this quadratic function, we are going to convert this vertex form into the standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. So I'm going to rewrite my vertex form as negative 2 times x plus 3 squared, means that I'm multiplying x plus 3 by itself 2 times. So I'm writing a 2 times, and then plus 8. And I'm going to use my table to multiply the binomial factors. So we have x plus 3 times x plus 3. So we have x squared plus 3x plus another 3x and then plus 9. And add the like terms. So x plus 3 times x plus 3 is the same thing as x squared plus 6x plus 9. And don't forget to bring down the negative 2 and positive 8. So now I need to multiply everything by negative 2. So I have negative 2x squared minus 12x plus minus 18 and then plus 8. And so the final solution for the standard form, it is negative 2x squared minus 12x and then minus 10. So now I can use this standard form to help me find the roots or the solutions or the zeros for this quadratic function. And you can either use the quadratic formula, factoring method if it's factorable, or completing a square. So I'm just going to use the quadratic formula. So we have negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, and then all over 2 times a. So I'm going to plug in my a, b, and c from the standard form. So b is the number in front of x. So in our problem, we have negative 12. And then so negative 12 plus or minus square root of b squared. So that's negative 12 squared minus 4 times a. A is the number in front of x squared. So that's negative 2. And then times c. C is the constant. So that's negative 10. And then all over 2 times a, which is negative 2. So now I'm going to simplify this. So negative 12 is same thing as positive 12 plus or minus square root of 144. Negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8 times negative 10, so that's negative 80 over 2 times negative 2, that's negative 4. And now I can simplify this further. So we have 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 80 is 64 over negative 4. And I can simplify square root of 64. So that's going to give me 8 over negative 4. So therefore my roots are 12 plus 8 is 20 divided by negative 4. So that's negative 5. 12 minus 8 is 4, divided by negative 4 is negative 1. And you graph your roots on the x-axis. So we have negative 5 and negative 1. And the last thing I can find is the y-intercept from the standard form. So the y-intercept is the c value, the constant, so where x is 0 and then the c value is negative 10. And you graph your y-intercept on the y-axis, so there's your negative 10. And now I can connect these points and create a parabola that opens down.